In this video, I'll show you how to use the Color Compressor tool in DaVinci Resolve to bring similar colors closer together. This workflow uses a built-in effect that is only available in the studio version of DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump straight in. Start by going to the Color page and selecting the clip you want to work on. On your node, open the Qualifier panel and enable the Highlight view so you can see exactly what you're selecting. Use the HSL qualifier to sample the color you want to adjust. Then refine the selection by adjusting the hue, saturation, and luminance ranges. Take your time here. The cleaner the selection, the better the result. Once you're happy, turn the highlight view off. Next, open the Effects panel on the Color page. In the search bar, type Color Compressor. Then drag the Color Compressor effect onto the same node. In the Color Compressor controls, increase the compressed hue amount. Do this gradually, keeping an eye on the image so the colors move closer together without looking unnatural. The goal is to subtly push the selected hues toward each other, not to completely flatten the color variation. And that's it! You've now used the Color Compressor to bring those colors closer together while keeping the image looking natural and balanced.